Hey guys, here's a Weeden #1 electric motor built in 1910 to 1912. I believe this was their first battery electric motor. I have it hooked up to a new voltage power supply that's adjustable. I have it set for 12 volts and 3 amps. And I have it also hooked up to a Weeden saw. This is an earlier Weeden saw with the poured lead legs, excuse me, instead of the pressed steel that they did later. Also, a slightly different color scheme with the tan and red line. I think it's very attractive. I like it. In the background, I also have the paperwork for this Weeden #1 and its original box right here. Very nice little box before they start using cardboard. Scoot over here a little bit. We see right here, this is the power lever right here. Okay, so our power switch lever. Turn that on and it start moving the engine. Here we have the brushes and the armature. I've had a little trouble with these because they were kind of out of whack, and they're copper, very thin copper, coated with nickel, and then going onto this brass armature. They were loose, they were bent. I think maybe the previous owner played with them. I've kind of adjusted them and gone through a couple of iterations, and I'm pretty happy with its performance now. I don't have to give it as much amperage to get it going, but as I give it more amperage, it goes fast enough to where it will walk off this cork. And this engine does not have any hose or anything like that, so I can't like secure it. I mean, it's supposed to be secured with its base, which is pretty heavy. It's all made of iron, you know, because I've taken a magnet and it sticks to everything. So there's no lead. So this is all good materials, and it's heavy, but that just kind of shows you how fast I can get it to go. You know that it will start moving around. All right. So let's turn on the lever, see if she will go. There we go. The string that I'm using here, oddly enough, this string came with the saw. It was wrapped around. But the string, you know, slips, and if I had proper engine bands that are like ribbed, like a spring, if you will, it wouldn't slip as bad. Or maybe not at all, I guess. Anyway, so she's trucking pretty good at 3 amps. I want to say I can take it down. Let's take it down to 2 amps. Again, we're running at 12 volts. Still running pretty good. I'm pretty sure around about 5 it's going to stop. I mean 1.5. Yeah, there she goes. Let's take her up about to say 2.5. There you go, pretty good. And let's have a little fun. Let's take her up to 4. Now she's running. She's vibrating on the base. I can feel it. And there she goes. She's walking. All right, I'm going to hold the base with this hand. Let's give it some more amperage. And now it's walking the base off the cork. There we go. Nice little engine. Let me bring it in for a close shot. All right, bring up the amperage. That's 4. That's 5. There you go. String's kind of keeping it into place. Not too bad. Oh, and also my little guy right there came loose. There we go. Guess I gotta tighten her back up. All right. So a little malfunction right there, but you can see she runs pretty good. I guess I just need to tighten that screw down a little bit so that bushing doesn't move off. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this Weeden #1 electric motor and running its little guy right there. It's a little saw. And then I guess I'll do a little twirl around. Disconnect the power. There we go. Nice little engine. Pretty amazing that it'll walk itself off of this cork, because she's pretty hefty. All right, there we go. Y'all have a good one. Hope you enjoyed the video.